Hi, my name is Paul Reisman, and I am a deployment engineer at Steelhead Technologies. Today, I will be talking about workboards. On the home page of our Steelhead domain, we have our workboards module. Within this module, we can create as many workboards as we want and customize them however you would like. For this example, I will be going into the AutoLine Prep workboard. Within each workboard, we have what we call workboard cards. These can be split up to however you want and however you have your shop currently set up. So for this example, we have a receiving area, a staging area for masking and plugging, and then the actual masking and plugging station. So an operator will be looking at this workboard in this specific area, this prep area, and they see these bowing parts are currently in the staging area called ready to mask and plug. So once they are ready to move into the masking and plugging station, they can simply hit the move parts button, and the move parts dialog will show up saying that you're moving one part out of one available part. We'll give the part number here. We're saying which node it's coming from and the transfer type and which node it's going to. If you want to change the transfer type, you can hit the drop down arrow here. You can rework the parts, transfer the part to any other node within the process, exit the parts, or complete the parts. Most of the time, the operators will be stepping the parts right into the next station. We can see that it's going to the masking and plugging node at the prep station. So once I move this, it automatically updates, and I scroll down and I see bowing right here. If I hit the work parts dialog, I can see which part I'm looking at here. So I find it here, yep, match it to the picture, okay, perfect. I can see which inventory it's going to be using later on in the process. I can leave a comment if I want. Say get parts, submit. And this comment will travel with this job throughout the whole entire process. You can see, since I'm in the masking and plugging station, I'm physically doing labor by prepping these parts, so a timer automatically started. This is perfect for job tracking abilities where you can see how much time is spent at each station per job. If you want to upload files to this specific work order or part number, you can hit the up arrow right here where you can upload a part number file, process node file, process node description, work order file, received order file, put the parts on quality hold. You can group the parts and assign a location. I will show you what this looks like from my iPad. So this is what your operators will be seeing out on the floor. You can see I'm still on the AutoLine Prep workboard. If I scroll down to the mask and plug workboard card, here are my bowing parts. I click the work parts button, and I notice there's no instructions because this is the first time we are doing this part. So if I want to upload a new picture of how to plug this part, for example, I can take a photo, snap a picture, use the photo. If I want to do a quick markup on it, do that. Hit save, and boom, there it is. And then if I want instructions, I can do part number and process node description. And I'll say use black plugs. Save, and boom, there it is. So every time the operator has this part coming through, they can hit the work parts button and they will see these instructions. If you want to do a video, you go through the same exact process. Take a photo or video and just switch the camera on the video. Hit record. Stop. Use video. Hit save. And there it is. If you have any questions regarding workboards within Steelhead, feel free to reach out to myself or anyone else on the Steelhead team. Thank you.